How to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will learn if we can unfollow everyone on TikTok. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. For that, launch your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in with your TikTok account. Now to access your following list, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. That will take you to your profile page where you can go to your following. So simply tap on following. Here, as of the latest update of TikTok, there is not the direct feature, or TikTok does not offer the built-in feature to unfollow multiple accounts simultaneously. But you can unfollow accounts by tapping on the following buttons next to their account one by one. And that's the only way to unfollow the TikTok account in your TikTok. Then tap on following, and with that you have unfollowed this account. So you can repeat the same with all the other account, as TikTok does not provide the built-in features to unfollow everyone simultaneously. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.